Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back. So this video is going to be really interesting because I have found the Instagram mod. Obviously you can't just go to Google and type how to hack Instagram. I mean that's so lame, right? APK of Instagram on Google, that also doesn't work. So don't waste your time. Just let me show you. If you type that, you'll get some results, but none of this will work. If you open the website, you will not get any links, so it's just waste of time. So it will be better if you download Happy Mod. So basically Happy Mod is an app which allows you to download any mod, and literally any mod of the original app, in simple words. So download Happy Mod. I've shown you in my previous videos, you can go and watch. And yes, I have downloaded GTA San Andreas for free, and you can check that out. It's a really awesome game in phone. It's really hard to download. You can check that out. For now we don't need that. So I have given a detailed explanation about that, how to download GTA San Andreas. So it's really simple. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check that out. For now, let's start. So open the Happy Mod. And yeah, you will not get this app in Play Store or any other app store. You need to download it from Chrome. So that's obvious. Go to search bar and type Instagram. You'll get your results. Yeah. Click on the first icon. Sorry, not this one. Yeah, this one. See, you have options like you have mods and original. See, you shouldn't download the first mod, but go down, scroll down and click on more versions. See, the first one does not work, so don't download the first one. As you can see, there are many mods here. I'll show you it. As you can see, the last mod has special feature. There are many mods. For example, downloading this mod, you'll get increased followers, automatic likes, how many likes you want. That's it. The last mod is for likes and followers, not much. But the useful mod is the third and the fourth mod. Don't download the first mod, the third and the fourth. See, you can unfollow in single click. You can have wallpaper in your DM, any wallpaper. You can download, post any video directly. So you can have fun with this. And the fourth one, it's gonna be interesting. Wait. And yeah, here's the fourth mod. Don't download the first mod. Yeah, see, you can add copy description, add working link. You can literally add a working link in your caption, and you can track the unfollowers who are unfollowing you. You can add fingerprint lock, and there are many more, guys. I'll download one of the mods and I'll show you how that works. So your net should be really fast, or else it will stop continuously. I mean the download will stop continuously. See, I have downloaded GTA San Andreas and that cheat codes for GTA San Andreas. That J Cheater is actually a paid app, so I downloaded it for free. You can check that out. See, I skipped the downloading part. I don't want to waste your time, so I'll let this install. This will take a while, so don't worry guys, this is completely safe. Besides this, if you find this video useful, please make sure you subscribe and share with your friends. So I'll just open and log in my account. As soon as you enter the app, you can see the features of the app. There's no need to worry, I'll explain every single feature. As I said, there are lots and lots of features, like if you want to view someone's story and you don't want them to know that you viewed their story, obviously, so you can enable an option and they won't get to know that you viewed their story. As you can see, this is my Insta account. Now on the top left corner, if you long press the camera icon, the video autoplay will disable or enable. Wait, I'll show you the video. See, I just long pressed it. Now showing video autoplay is enabled. Oh sorry, disabled. Now see, now you should press the play button. Now only it will play, and you can skip the video. In the previous Instagram version you couldn't do that. Wait, let me show you. See, I'll play the video now, and you can skip some part by long pressing it. See, I can skip it. It's really amazing. That's my San Andreas video. Just allow according to your convenience. And below every post or video you will see a small download option beside save, where you save the post, right? Beside the save you have a download option. If you press that, the video or the post will get downloaded in your phone storage. You can also decide which storage it should go in. So to disable the autoplay, you should just long press the camera icon, the top left corner. See, every icon here has an unique feature. So the DM, you can see that top right corner, the message icon. If you long press that, you can enable or disable the option of message read. Like if you see in a message, you'll get an option of message read, right? That option. I'll show you that also. Wait. As you can see, I have disabled the autoplay, so the videos aren't getting played. As you can see, not even a single video is getting played. So now let's move on to the next features. So as you can see, I'm long pressing the DM icon now, and now you can see the feature read option is enabled or disabled. Just to disable it, you should long press it again. That's it. It's that simple. Or if you need more advanced setting, long press the home icon. It's in the bottom left corner. And if you need to apply wallpaper in your DM or want to keep fingerprint or any pin to Instagram, you can also add that. See, you can view or hide stories. See, there is also a special feature where you can hide the typing status of your, like when you're typing you'll get that status, right, for the people. You can also hide that. That's really interesting. And also you have other features like getting messages side by side. You will always get one below the other, right? You can get side by side. There are many features, right? You can design the Instagram in your own hands. That's so simple. And you can also set the unfollowing tracker, the people who unfollow you. You can set that tracker. So currently my account is new, so no one unfollows me. That's simple. So moving on, I'll show you one more important thing, the working link in your caption. Like if you post any video or photo, you can add a working link, literally a working link in your caption. Wait, I'll show you that. If you want, you can skip or see the features which I am showing you. There is also a feature that you can disable the ads which irritate us, obviously. So you can block that. As you can see, I'm setting an background image in my DM. See, I don't want to waste your time, so you can skip 1 minute because I'm going to show some of the more features. If you want to see the working link caption, skip to 9 minutes. So I'll go to my gallery and select a random photo which I'll post and add a working link. So this is the photo I've selected. It's actually my thumbnail. So I'll go to feed and I'll just minimize it. Next. And wait, I'll add the caption. So that's going to be my caption, and as you can see, I've added the link. If you won't believe me, wait, I'll show you the link. So this has been posted, and go to the description and see, that's the link. See, that's a literally working link. If I click on that, see, that's my YouTube channel. So as you can see, this is my channel. I had actually put the link of one of my videos itself. The God Mod, guys, I present to you the Ghost. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe and share it with your friends. There are many features which I didn't discuss about. Obviously, I didn't want to waste your time. Make sure you download, and if you don't know how to download Happy Mod, just see my previous videos. I have shown that. It's really simple. Okay, thanks, bye.